Rome, the capital of Italy, is a place that fascinates visitors with its rich history, stunning scenery and vibrant culture. Known as the Eternal City, Rome offers a wealth of attractions for tourists from all over the world. Drone footage provides a unique view of the cityscape, allowing you to see iconic landmarks such as the Colosseum, the Vatican and the Trevi Fountain from above. One of the attractions of Rome is its breathtaking landscape. The city is adorned with iconic landmarks such as the Roman Forum and the Pantheon. These architectural structures showcase the grandeur and splendor of ancient Rome. Rome's tourism industry is thriving due to the abundance of historical sites and cultural attractions. Travelers can immerse themselves in ancient art at world-renowned museums, or marvel at architectural wonders. For those planning a trip to Rome, there are plenty of travel options. The city boasts a well-developed transportation system that allows tourists to easily navigate its streets and reach popular attractions. When it comes to Rome reviews, travelers often marvel at the charm and beauty of the city. From enjoying authentic Italian cuisine to strolling through picturesque neighborhoods such as Trastevere or enjoying panoramic views from Gianicolo Hill, there is something for everyone in this charming city. In conclusion, Rome offers an unforgettable travel experience with its fascinating history, picturesque scenery and diverse attractions. Whether you are a history buff or simply looking for an exciting cultural adventure, there is something for everyone in this charming city.